Welcome everybody guys, how would it be if a boy dies and after that a robot is made just like him? Will that robot be able to take the place of that boy, or will it just remain a robot? So without waiting, let us all go inside a very advanced city. Today in the beginning of the movie, we see a city which was flying above the sky inside the earth, whose name was Metro City. The one who created such a big city already knew that a time would definitely come inside the earth when everything would get destroyed. That is why he had taken the city much above the earth. There everything was very advanced there, even whatever guard system, cleaning system was there, all these were being done by robots. The name of the creator of those robots was Tenma. The scene after which shifts to Tenma's daughter, who was in her own school at this time. Toby was also very intelligent like his dad. Whenever Toby used to have exams, he used to be the first to clear the exam before the teachers come to know that Toby's IQ level is very good because all his answers used to be correct. When Toby goes home, his assistant, who was a robot, comes to pick him up, where his father's holographic image appears inside the car, who tells that today he has to go to the Ministry of Science, but Toby cannot come there. He tells that today he is going to introduce his new robot to the president. That is why he will be a little late while coming. Toby says that I also have to go there and I also want to see that robot, but his dad refuses to do so. Toby tells this robot to take me to my father. Now this robot had this instruction from his father that Toby should be taken directly home. Due to this, Toby changes the system of that robot. After this, he asks to follow new orders. The robot has to obey. After this, Toby reaches directly to his father's lab, where his father gets very angry with him. Why have you come here today? But the president of that place refuses Tenma to do this and says that you should not do this. He is your son and he will also be very curious, so take him with you. But Toby says something very wrong here. He tells the president that all your weapons are old, these weapons need to be changed. Due to this, the president gets a little angry and now Toby is not able to go inside. After which a presentation starts here. This entire presentation is given by Dr. Alpha, who was telling about two energies, negative and positive. At the same time, the president reaches here and takes both the energies from the doctor. The president reaches the place where Dr. Alpha and Dr. Tenma had made their new robot. The name of that robot was Peacekeeper. The president was very happy to see such a big robot and asks to insert the red core inside this robot. Dr. Alpha clearly refuses to do this and tells that the red core can be very dangerous and we have not even tested it till date. But the president, he had to win the election, and along with that he had to add robots to the army. That is why he himself inserts the red core energy in this robot. As soon as the red core energy enters Peacemaker, it becomes very aggressive and starts shooting at everyone, which was a bit difficult to control. It is revealed that Peacemaker moves forward to attack everyone. Then Tenma activates his security shield, due to which Peacemaker stops behind a very big glass wall, but by mistake his son i.e. Toby was inside that wall and could not come out. Tenma tries a lot to remove the shield, but that shield was an emergency shield which could not open on its own. The energy of the red core is so high that the robot Peacemaker makes a huge blast in itself, and Toby, who was a human, could not bear this energy and got killed there. Peacekeeper tries to break that door. Then Dr. Alpha inserts a positive energy core inside that robot, after which when the energy of the red core and blue core meets, there is a huge explosion, due to which Peacekeeper was completely destroyed, but Toby also did not survive. Dr. Tenma takes the responsibility of all this himself. He feels that it is his fault that his son died, after which he now works on his new project. He is exactly like his son Toby. They make a new robot. They find a hair in Toby's cap, with the help of which DNA they recover all of Toby's memories. All of Toby's memories are inserted inside that robot. Along with this, a blue code is inserted in it for positive energy, after which the robot starts and it starts feeling that it is a human being whose name is Toby. It also knew that Dr. Tenma is its father, due to which it goes and hugs it. Dr. Tenma thought that his experiment was successful, but after coming home it is found that Dr. Tenma's assistant robot was very surprised to see Toby, due to which he scans it and it is found that it is a mechanical body exactly like him. Dr. Tenma tells his assistant that please do not tell anything in front of it that it is a robot. Dr. Tenma brings Toby's cap and tries to make this robot wear it, but this robot does not listen to him. He agrees because he did not want to wear this cap. Then the doctor thinks that this robot can never become his son. Due to this, he gets angry and sends Toby to his room and tells him to go away from there. Toby was inside his room and then he hears two robots talking from a distance. He does not understand how he is able to hear such a faraway voice. Both the robots talk that Toby's hair is exactly like Scene's. Then Toby comes out and says that my hair is not like Scene's. The robot outside is very surprised that how is this man understanding our conversation. While talking to those robots, Toby falls straight down from the building, but before falling, his legs get activated automatically, which turns into a rocket and Toby starts flying, due to which he was also very happy. He thought that he has got some new power due to which he can roam around the whole city. After going home, he comes to know that his dad is talking to the doctor. He tells that this robot can never become his son. Toby comes to know that these people are talking about him, that's why he goes to his dad and asks him, why are you saying this, Dr. Ten? You could not hide the truth. That's why he tells that this is just a robot which looks like his son, but this robot can never become a human, that's why now whatever Toby wishes for can be fulfilled. All he can do is leave from here. Toby feels very bad after hearing all this, due to which he leaves from here without saying anything. On the other hand, the president comes to know about the core of positive energy. He comes to know that this energy source is coming from Toby. Due to this, he sends some robots to catch Toby. Due to the energy of the blue core, Toby was very powerful, due to which no robot could catch him. Toby had destroyed many ships there, after which the president thinks of destroying Toby with big missiles. Due to such big blasts, Toby became so weak that instead of Metro City, he falls directly on Earth. There were broken and defective robots everywhere around him. Inside Metro City, whatever robots got damaged, they were thrown down on Earth. Toby finds a robot there which tries to become like his friend, but it makes Toby fall inside a trap. Then there some children come who after seeing Toby wonder how this person reached down. These children used to collect broken robots and were considering Toby as a human. There was a leader of these children whose name was Cora and she asks Toby, what is your name and how did you come here? Toby tells his name as Astro and says that he has fallen down from Metro City. All these children have not seen Metro City till date. Due to this, when they hear the name of Metro City, they get very excited, after which Cora asks, how did you fall here? Then Toby tells that I am an orphan, due to this I was thrown out from there. After which Cora takes Toby to that house where there were already many children. All these children were orphans. After which we see a man whose name was Hamak. He was actually a scientist. That man's job was to repair robots so that he could make new robots, and all the children used to bring parts of robots to Hami. He loved making robots. He thought that Toby was a human being and that's why he also kept him like the other children, which made Toby very happy. Like every day, the children go to get the parts of the robots. That's why Toby also goes with them. On the way, a robot tries to tell the other children about Toby that Toby is actually a robot and he is lying to everyone, but the other children are not able to understand his words. There was a very big robot in front of Toby, which looked a little like Big Hero in reality. Guys, if you have not seen the Big 6 or Big Hero movie yet, then please check the playlist in which you will find that movie. Back to the story, when Toby sees this big robot, which was faulty at this time, due to this he first scans it and then finds out about its fault. He goes inside and fixes that thing and sits directly inside it and makes the other children sit as well. Hamik was training one of his robots in fighting when he realizes that a very big robot is standing in front of him. The name of this robot was Jock. Hamik now starts checking it, and his device shows that Jock has a lot of powerful energy inside him, but the device that Hamik had goes straight to Astro, due to which Hamik realizes that there is no human inside Astro Akela but a robot, and he is lying about this. That is why Hamik also keeps quiet. He lives there and no one knew that he knows everything about Astro. Now all the children together clean Jock, and after that they also give him a good makeover. Jock had become much better than before. Now Hamik takes Jock with him to the robot fight, where Astro asks him, "Why do you make the robots fight?" Hamik says that no matter how intelligent a robot becomes, it is still a robot which is made for the entertainment of humans. Then he throws a very strong electric shock towards Toby. Due to the electric device, Toby falls unconscious badly. All the children do not understand why Hamir has done this. Then he tells all the children that Toby is actually a robot of very advanced technology. The children feel bad after hearing this, and when Toby regains consciousness, he was standing inside a big ground where Hamik asks him to fight with one of his robots. Toby does not do that. But when the other robot attacks Toby a lot, Toby starts fighting with him to save himself. Now there was not just one but many other robots here, but Toby defeats them all. Hamik now calls Jock to defeat Toby, but Jock does not do anything to Toby because Toby was the one who restarted Jock. On the contrary, he goes to attack Hamik and was almost about to kill Hamik, but then Toby stops him from doing so. Hamik also feels bad that he misunderstood Toby. At the same time, the president reaches here in his ship, who had come here to take Toby. On one side, Toby was going, on the other side, Cora and all his other friends were very sad. After which the president takes Toby directly to Dr. Tenma and asks Tenma to remove his blue core. Dr. Tenma also thinks that maybe there is a blue core in him. It is not right and it should be removed. While removing the blue core, Toby says that I could never become your son, due to which Dr. Tenma feels very bad, but still he was helpless, due to which he removes the blue core. The president was about to leave from here with that blue core, then Dr. Tenma takes that blue core from his hand and inserts it back inside Toby. As soon as Toby becomes alive, he understood that his life must have been saved by Dr. Tenma, due to which he runs away from there. Now the president was furious and asks to arrest Dr. Tenma. The president knew that if he wants the strongest robot, then he needs the energy of the red core, due to which he puts the energy of the red core inside the peacemaker. But as soon as the peacemaker starts from the red core, it first pulls the president inside itself and after that tries to humiliate all the other people, but the president was not dead, rather. Peacemaker was controlling that robot from inside. Now Peacemaker starts running here and there to find Toby. Even after destroying almost Metro City, Toby was still not found. After which Toby himself comes and starts fighting him and stops him. All the children on Earth, i.e. Cora and her friends, see the destruction happening inside Metro City. Due to this, they go out to help Toby. Here Peacekeeper was very strong. Due to this, he had defeated Toby and was about to kill him. In the meantime, Cora reaches here with her car, which saves Toby's life. Peacekeeper tries to catch this car, but this car was running at a very high speed. Due to such a big blast, the power supply of Metro City was also cut off. The whole city starts falling directly on Earth. But then Toby uses all his power before such a big city gets destroyed and lands Metro City safely. Toby comes once again, although his size was very small, and when he was hitting the Peacekeeper, it seemed that he would never win. Then the Peacekeeper pulls Toby inside him, but there was blue energy inside Toby and red energy inside the Peacekeeper. Due to both of these, a big blast occurs. Toby thought that he can definitely blast it with his energy. At that time Dr. Tenma arrives, who starts taking Toby with him, but it is revealed that the peacekeeper has caught Cora and her friends. And now Toby could not sit quiet, he goes straight inside the peacekeeper to save his friends. Due to the meeting of the energy of the blue and red course, a very big blast occurs here again. The peacekeeper is killed but all his friends are saved. The president was not killed, rather he was saved. But before that all the guards come and arrest him. Toby was injured and he had become unconscious. Dr. Alpha comes and tells that the energy of the blue core has been used up a lot, and now if he has to be brought back to life, then he can be alive only with the energy of the blue core. At this time, Jag comes here because he also had the blue core energy inside him, and he gives the same energy to Toby, which makes Toby come back to life. All the friends were very happy to see this, and Dr. Tenma also now accepted Toby as his son, and with this wonderful movie ends here. So guys, do tell me how did you all like this movie? So let's meet you all in the next movie. Until then, Tata.